Get ready to conquer the winter with ease. Electric snow shovels are your ultimate ally in effortlessly clearing snow, transforming a daunting chore into a quick and enjoyable task. In this video, we are going to look at the top 5 electric snow shovels available on the market today and tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered the quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best electric snow shovels. The 5th product on this list is the Litheli E1. Are you tired of spending countless hours in the cold, manually clearing snow from your pathways or yard? Check out the Litheli E1 electric snow shovel. This powerhouse is a game changer in the battle against snow, boasting user-friendly features. Performance-wise, it's a force to be reckoned with. No more struggles like those faced by traditional mowers. The Litheli E1 tackles snowbanks up to 12 inches wide and blasted away up to 20 feet. Moreover, the Litheli E1 features a 4,000 mAh high energy density lithium-ion battery, ensuring continuous power without the hassle of cords. It's perfect for clearing snow from steps, decks, or patios without the tangle of cords to trip over. Weighing just 8.8 pounds, this electric snow shovel is lighter than you expect. The dual-action button at the top handle prevents accidental snow flurries, while the auxiliary handle on the pole offers a customizable grip for ultimate comfort. What adds to its convenience is the little storage compartment underneath the top handle, providing a spot for small tools, all in one place for easy access. Lastly, for peace of mind, the manufacturer offers a 5-year warranty for the tool and 3 years for the battery and charger. Its pros are: the cordless design makes it easy to clear snow anywhere, anytime. It is lightweight and easy to maneuver, and the ergonomic design and adjustable handle make it a breeze to use. However, its cons are sometimes the battery needs a little warmth to get going, and it may not work with heavy snow. The Litheli E1 is for anyone tired of wrestling with cords, heavy machinery, and unpredictable weather, and wants a snow-clearing sidekick that's powerful, portable, and practically cordless. Up next in 4th place is the SuperHandy snow thrower. Keep your patio, walkway, driveway, and yard snow-free with the SuperHandy snow thrower. This is way above the pay grade level of your conventional snow shovel, as it aims towards helping you clear snow in the most efficient way possible. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, it's built tough to meet residential and commercial standards. Weighing just 10 pounds, it houses a robust 20-volt electric motor that effortlessly moves an impressive 300 pounds of snow per minute. Yes, you read that right. What's more, it throws snow up to 25 feet away. Notably, it's eco-friendly and user-friendly, unlike noisy gas-powered alternatives. This snow thrower emits no smog or ear-piercing noise, and it's low maintenance, no gas, oil, or tune-ups required. Just push the button and watch it power through the snow. As an ergonomically designed device, a simple button push operates it, and the adjustable handles ensures comfort. You should prioritize safety by wearing gloves and protective eyewear while using the machine. Also, always ensure the snow thrower stays dry to prevent malfunctions. Its pros are: it moves up to 300 pounds of snow per minute. The ergonomic design will ensure you don't experience back pain during and after use, and it makes the work far less effort. However, its cons are: it has to stay dry if you must keep it running, and the power trigger does not have a lock to keep it working without your hand pressing on it. The SuperHandy snow thrower is the winter weapon for DIY enthusiasts, snow warriors, and those tired of the old school shovel dance and want to clear their paths like a pro without the drama. Still haven't found an electric snow shovel that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the EcoPower Plus MSS1203. Brace yourselves for the EcoPower Plus MSS1203, the electric snow shovel compatible with multiple heads. With a throwing distance of up to 25 feet, the MSS1203 ensures snow is thrown far out of the way. This is particularly advantageous when clearing driveways, decks, patios, sidewalks, or steps. Featuring a 12-inch clearing surface, it efficiently clears paths on sidewalks, driveways, and decks with ease. Powered by a 56-volt, 4.0 amp/hour arc lithium battery, this electric snow shovel can clear a 4-car driveway with 6 inches of snow on a single charge. The universal battery compatible across the EcoPower Plus multi-head system provides convenience and flexibility. To ensure safety and enhance durability, it incorporates an overload protection clutch. This clutch releases the auger rotation in extreme loads or unexpected jams, preventing damage to the motor and electronics. We found this electric snow shovel easy to use. It features an adjustable front handle that ensures ergonomic comfort by allowing you to customize the grip according to your preferences and needs. Moreover, it boasts a variable speed trigger and a 2-speed switch, providing precise control over the auger's speed. This adaptability makes it effective in various snow conditions. Weighing in at 17.3 pounds, the EcoPower Plus MSS1203 is heavier than the others previously discussed. However, it remains easy to maneuver, enhancing your comfort during extended use. Its pros are: it has an impressive throwing distance, the unit is compatible with multiple head attachments, and it comes with a 5-year tool warranty and a 3-year battery warranty. However, its cons are: at 17.3 pounds, it's not the lightest electric shovel, and it requires a lot of effort to push through deep snow. With its exceptional performance, advanced features, and compatibility with a multi-head system, the EcoPower Plus MSS1203 electric snow shovel is perfect for DIY enthusiasts who appreciate the convenience of a multi-head system. The second product on this list is the Greenworks Pro. This next electric snow shovel stands as a powerful solution, effortlessly tackling winter's challenges. This electric snow shovel is equipped with features that make snow removal a breeze, ensuring efficiency and ease of use for users of all experience levels. Weighing only 15 pounds, it's lightweight enough for easy maneuverability through snow-covered areas. Coupled with its adjustable handle, it's incredibly user-friendly. Sporting a 12-inch shoveling width, this snow shovel swiftly moves snow, covering a broad area with each pass, enhancing efficiency in clearing driveways, sidewalks, and surfaces. Its powerful snow-throwing capability effortlessly displaces snow aside, ensuring a clear path and preventing buildup. Specifically designed for depths of up to 6 inches, it's optimized for average snowfall, reliably clearing moderate accumulations. For peak performance, storing the battery at room temperature before use is recommended. A cold battery might delay the machine's startup. However, in case of startup issues, a quick troubleshooting solution exists. Simply remove the battery, let it warm indoors for 10 minutes or more, and then reinstall for a smooth start, even in challenging conditions. Safety remains a top priority. The Greenworks Pro electric snow shovel incorporates a double safety design, ensuring accident prevention during operation. This additional layer of protection grants users peace of mind. Moreover, the shovel's foldable design facilitates easy and compact storage when not in use, a particularly likable feature. Its pros are: the quick troubleshooting design is helpful, the foldable design makes it for compact storage, and you can adjust the handle for ease of use. However, its cons are: cold batteries might need some time to pick up, and it is heavy when compared with other brands. The Greenworks Pro electric snow shovel is a reliable and user-friendly tool choice for those who wouldn't mind the double safety design, foldable storage, and adjustable handle, further enhancing the shovel's usability. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top electric snow shovel is the Earthwise SN74016. This unit stands out as another powerful and convenient solution for handling winter snowfall. Loaded with user-friendly features and driven by a 40-volt brushless motor, this battery-operated snow thrower simplifies snow removal without the hassle of cords, gas, or oil. Boasting a 16-inch clearing width and an 8-inch clearing depth, the Earthwise SN74016 effortlessly manages snow removal tasks suitable for driveways, sidewalks, and other areas around the house. Moreover, with a 32-foot snow throwing distance, it efficiently moves snow to a significant distance away from the cleared area. Weighing in at 19 pounds, it's slightly heavier compared to the previously discussed snow shovels. Nonetheless, it remains portable. The adjustable auxiliary handle, 6-inch rear wheels, and dual-blade auger ensure easy maneuverability through the snow. An impressive feature is the convenient 180-degree rotating chute, enabling you to direct snow in any chosen direction. Assembling the Earthwise SN74016 is a breeze. No special tools required. Simply follow the manual and connect the parts by hand. The inclusion of a convenient safety switch and retention hook ensures added safety and ease of use. The brushless motor stands out for its powerful, quiet, and reliable performance, moving an impressive 300 pounds of snow per minute for efficient and effective snow removal. What's more, starting the machine requires no special acrobatics. Just push the button and the snow thrower is ready to work. Its pros are: it moves 300 pounds of snow per minute with a throwing distance of 30 feet, the comfortable handle and adjustable auxiliary handle for a user-friendly experience, the brushless motor is powerful and quiet, and the 180-degree chute makes it easy to choose the direction to throw the snow. However, the battery compartment just underneath the handle makes it cumbersome to maneuver sometimes. The Earthwise SN74016 electric snow thrower is for anyone looking for a hassle-free solution for keeping their pathways clear during the winter months. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.